We are making a shrimp boil today. Corn, potatoes, sausage. This is chicken sausage, sweet caramelized onion chicken sausage, and spicy jalapeno, and regular beef. Potatoes, corn, and spread out some of the cheese and some shrimp. Oh, and whatever little bit of versatile sauce that. Ooh, that's the label we're on. That we have in here, like 6 pieces. You can go in there. I don't care. Get out the freezer. We need more room. So all that I'm gonna put in here with onion and sliced pepper as well, and garlic. I'm gonna make a garlic butter sauce that I'll just pour into the thing with some water so that it can help steam the vegetables.
It's cold. No, it has juice.
Malcolm, is my phone in there?
Oh, that's no beautiful thing.
I was going to cut it this way. My bad. Messed that up. Because I think eating them like that would be good.
Ooh. There's no share. Can I put them in?
Did you wash your hands again?
Yes. No.
Yeah. You didn't wash your hands every time. Gotta cut them kind of small because I don't want them. I want them to cook fast. If it was a weekend, then maybe we'll do it. Not like that, but it's not. Let's go see.
Okay, but last one. Yeah.
We'll put the potatoes in.
Mom, we need to add a little bit of mac and cheese.
That's it.
Sometimes we gotta mix like a girl.
And then we're gonna cut these just this way here. No rhyme, no reason. Just cut. Make them kind of thick because
I'm so
it's gonna
glad
be in
that
the
milk
oven
wasn't
for a
hot.
good 30 minutes or so.
Mommy, I don't think I touched myself. I just got milk on
What's
myself.
that? Why does it look like that?
I just got milk on myself, and I'm so glad that
Careful.
milk was cold.
Oh, careful.
I wouldn't have been cooked if the milk wasn't cold.
Okey-dokey.
Still
Put this in.
I'm seeing some progress sizzling. I'm seeing some
We're
sizzling.
gonna put in a couple of the onion ones.
This is really good.
Let's cut them like this. I don't know, I like making extra because usually I can come up with another idea for another meal. And then these are good. You can take it, you can leave it in and take it out, doesn't matter. It's a wooden spoon, so it's not gonna.
I just put it like right here. Is this good?
Hopefully we'll be able to tell the
This is
difference
good?
between these sausages. Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Am I off cheese? Do yours is so much cheese.
I don't
I
know.
like that block of cheese if you're not gonna bring it.
Go ahead and cut up some of these. And then the onion. When I say I'm cutting up the jalapeno and stuff, it's literally just.
I'm about to sneeze from it all the way over here. Oh, the pepper. The pepper.
Like, that's all I'm doing. Wait, should I cut them in half? Should I cut them in half? I'm asking you like y'all know, like y'all gonna tell me. Y'all gonna tell me if I should cut it in half? Alright, I'll cut it in half. I mean, I like them no matter. Half, whole, in between the fold. That don't make sense. Luckily, these don't really have. There's the sweet peppers. So, sorry. I do things a little bit haphazard. Especially when it comes to cooking. I'm gonna have to scrub my daggone fingers so I don't get jalapeno stuck on my fingernails. I've had it squeezed in my eyeball before, not on purpose. Of course, I had to say that because sometimes things just be on purpose. You just want to see how things feel. Just want to know what type of things hurt worse than others. I don't know. I'm not that type of thrill seeker, but I was young and I had a jalapeno for some reason. I decided to cut so I don't know what I was doing. I cut it open, and the way I was cutting it was stupid. So I sprayed myself in the eyeball with jalapeno juice. Ain't that great? I ran to the bathroom to wash it out. I was in agony pain. It felt like there was a seed in my eye. I was like, there's more in there. It has to be. There wasn't any more in there. It was just the residual. It was a fresh jalapeno, I'll tell you that. Like, dang, this thing fresh. This one's kind of big. Let's quarter that one up. All right. Let's dump this really quick. Look at that gorgeous meat. Gorgeous. I might need another onion. Okie dokie. Looking good. I do need garlic. I don't. Alright, so I'm gonna use in my mixture to pour on top. I'm stupid. I should have known this is just for like boiling in a bag. And I know there's a way I could probably do it in here, like put it in the microwave and combine it with water and, you know, get the infused. I'm not doing that. We're gonna nix that, put that up for an actual crab night. And we're just gonna use some better than bouillon onion and then some better than bouillon lobster. Since it's more like since we're putting in shrimp, I wanted to add this. If I can get it open, if I can't, then it ain't going in. All right, so I just put a little bit. Don't need that much. Let me mix it up a bit. This is the lobster one looks like. Obey. Not pouring fast enough. Obey in there, and then I also like to sprinkle it on here because why not? Look, I already got one. So this is gonna join that family there. Just gonna Creole seasoning.
I'm exhausted.
Ooh, hopefully don't get none on the pizza there. And on this, I could have been cinnamon garlic powder.
Is my pizza
Again, garlic powder, pepper.
Are we going to the table?
That was a lot of pepper. And I proceed to use more. This has no salt, onion, and herbs. Dash.
Where's my tablet?
And then, wait, did I do onion? I don't think I did.
Hello.
What is
I don't think I did.
Hello.
That looks good. I'm not gonna put it on there, but it looks good. And
You don't have these out here?
We're all a little lady, and in this cartoony, we're invading your TV. We cry for all the sisters.
We're at what?
and now our song is done.
Oh, skip it.
Oh crap! I just skipped it. Dang it. Lemon
Is this your
pepper.
pizza?
Can I press that again?
Because I have an issue. I love it. And I love this one. This one's like really concentrated. So I really, and I don't have that much lemon, so. And then, or you can use Kinder's. I think theirs has salt. Yeah, this has salt in it, so.
First.
Oh, I just scratched myself. Ow, I'm gonna be bleeding soon. Oh my god, that hurts. Ah. I'm not gonna do too much because I already did that.
Oh, then we do like
And then paprika.
Okay, you can do
And
that
of course
for me.
Hungarian paprika because
Then do.
I love it. You can actually taste it unlike other paprikas. I probably don't need that much because it goes a long way. I found out.
Oh, God.
All right.
Hold on.
Now I just
Hold
need
on.
some.
Let me see.
Oh, we read it out.
I am a pizza.
Oh, that. I used pepper. Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Yes. Yes.
And
Garlic.
it smells yummy.
He's a lot. He's a lot.
Oh, it smell good.
All right, stir it up. Oh, microwave
You should
that.
try Auntie's mac and cheese.
Let's go stir this.
Give me.
These peppers.
Are you making a video?
Yes. And I got Auntie's whole song in it.
Huh?
Auntie's whole song is in the video.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Which one? The one about I gotta eat?
Oh, that might be in there too.
I don't care.
Whichever throwback one. No, it keeps it like entertaining and going. I like real life. Real life.
But then
The pate. All right. Yay. And like I said, I'm adding shrimp
Oh, those
And I'm always
halfway through the cook process.
It's the thrill
Halfway.
of one more kiss.
Let's-
The last one to fall. Would never sacrifice their will. Do. Whenever. I don't know the words. It's the thrill of the kill. The thrill of the kill.
Do.
And a sweet victory. Yeah.
I don't know. Yo, I don't put too much milk. Maybe it just needed to sit. Oh crap! I got it in there. Dang it. Okay.
Yummy,
Need salt.
yummy in my tummy.
Need salt.
Yummy.
All right, I added in the shrimp. This is what it looks so far with the shrimp, peppers, onions, corn, potatoes, 3 sausages, onions, garlic, and I think that's all. Broccoli, a little couple pieces of broccoli in there. But we seasoned it all up, had the butter, garlic, marinade base, and we'll see how this turns out. Let's go ahead and put it in for about 30 more minutes. Then all done with the potatoes and sausages. Had to take out the corn and shrimp and peppers. All below here, the corn and shrimp and peppers. All that. Yum. It's the shrimp and some more sausage that weren't as rendered as the other ones down below. And broccoli, because I didn't want to scorch the broccoli and any of the fresh ingredients. Some more peppers in here. Jalapeno. Love. And this is my bowl. Yay!